clear skied lees on the South Shields. Today we're fishing down at the water's edge. It's been a warm sunny day and I'm hoping that a few bass show and certainly some flounder. So watch this space, let's see how it goes. We're on the big beach. I'm fishing with a Shakespeare Firebird XT. It's a small light rod. So this is 7 foot. I've got a 1 ounce lead on, a 1/0 hook and a big piece of ragworm. I'm going to see if we can catch a flounder or a bass. Just wading out slightly. Flicks it out. Going to see if we catch anything. Touch ledgering, which I love. For those who watch my course fishing videos, I've been doing quite a lot of that recently. And I'll keep you informed. It's a lovely evening down here. I didn't get anything on touch ledgering. I have put out a larger rod, but still a light rod, not the usual gear that I use on the river where the current's horrendous. And I've still got the little firebird out, 7 foot. So I have a shot. It's only got a 1 ounce lead on. It's moving about, but I'm really hopeful for it because little flatties, little bass, I love coming in close, and this thing's out just past the third breaker. It's just where it needs to be for these fish. Quite busy out on the beach tonight. There's a couple of anglers down that way, and there's another one behind me. I just had to get that sunset. And there we have it, first blood to the bigger rod. Little flounder, not very big at all, get it straight back. There we go, back to the sea. So I've rebaited and cast out again, being chased up by the tide now on the beach. I've got both rods out. I'm really hopeful with the little one, there's no reason why that shouldn't get a fish, as opposed to the big one. Really want to catch one with it now. Big one's there. So I'm just bringing in a fish on this rod. Hey, did the job. I'll get it off now. Okay, so that's that one going back. Wow, off like a shot. So it's Eurovision night, and I decided to come fishing. Yay, good plan. Can watch Eurovision at home without me annoying them. And I'll go back for the results where we get nil point. So I was completely wrong last year, who knows? I haven't even heard the song, so can't really judge. And quite clearly I'm old and my taste doesn't count anymore. I don't think it ever counted for Eurovision. Anyway, something happened on a little rod. So it's been a nice day. There's a number of people having fires next to the beach. And over by the rocks. Yeah, lovely. Hopefully a nice day tomorrow. Hopefully sell lots of ice creams. Yay. Well, we've recast in. Definitely had more knocks, but nothing connected. Little rod's had as many knocks as the big rod. Really sensitive tip, so I've seen a lot. Got to leave soon into the dark, but I'm hoping we might get a bass in that time. It's not a great bass beach, but we do get them reasonably regularly, and whiting and codling and everything else. Pay attention to these rocks now. I'm going to get my head torch. I think it's going to be too dark to see soon. Oh, it's getting quite dark now. It looks a lot lighter on the screen than it is in real life. I might use this screen to watch it. I am struggling to see this one. Red one. Should have brought some tape. I could put an attachment on to put the light on. I've got on the other one. We'll persevere for a bit longer. Do I really want to rush back to see Eurovision? Probably not. Get back back and see the results. Eat some cold Chinese takeaway. Probably soon. Anyway, if you've enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and I will try and keep putting these together. On the group Wendy's Beach Hut, we are putting on some reviews of different places to fish in and around South Shields, North Shields, Sunderland, etc. If you want to have an input on those, please do. I'm really interested in what other people have to say. I would really welcome people's comments. I'll put the link for the website, for the Facebook page on here. I'll also put the Facebook page for sea fishing videos. If you want to make your own, there's a group there that helped me get started, and certainly took my my videos a long way forward. So I'll put that on the link. Anyway, fishing a bit more. See what happens now. Yay, exciting stuff. It's more exciting than Eurovision anyway. Bye. Loving the sunset. So as night's drawing in, quite a fish. Over 30 centimetres, that one. At 13 inches. Nice flounder. Getting back. No measure, but that's tip of my fingers. Just about the crook of my elbow. Not a bad fish. Well, it's definitely dark now. I'm coming down to the last 30 minutes of fishing. So I can get on time, so I can get home in time to watch Eurovision final. Not. Getting quite a few knots on the big rod, but at the moment I think it's just a current run. That was a nice flounder I just had, wasn't it? Lovely fish. So, no bass. I mean, obviously disappointed, but I'm still quite pleased with what I've had. My friend Ryan, who had bass during the week here, hasn't had any either. He's fishing just a little bit down the side from me, along the beach. He was the fisherman in the distance. I didn't realise it was him, so he just walked over to say hi. So just keep going for that last half hour. Might get another one. It's still lovely. Got a gorgeous sea. This is only a few miles from my home. I'm so lucky to be able to get here. So easy. There's Ryan down there with the line. So, last bit, and then home. Well, there we go. Another one. Quite small, this one. Tiny one. Nothing like the last one. Just across my palm in my hand. Another flounder. Don't be fooled by the spots. It's not a place. Get that one back in. 10 minutes left. It's quite possibly the last fish of the session. So get it back. So here we are. Let's get this one back in again. And it's gone. Well, it's been a while. We've finally got another fish on the red rod. So bring it in. Another flatty, I think. Yeah, it's another flatty. Better size. Much better size. We'll get it off and have a look at it properly. So, that's the flatty on the red run. Brought it in, no problem at all. It's a decent size. It's not as long as the larger one we had before, but there's my hand. It's probably about half-pound fish. We'll get the hook out and get it back in the water. And that is the end. So. Get this one back in with a nice flounder. Thanks, guys.